At number 2, we have the Dreame X50 Ultra. This is our runner-up pick and redefines home cleaning with its unmatched ability to conquer obstacles up to 6 centimeters tall, effortlessly climbing thresholds and ledges while maintaining near-silent operation. Its ProLeap system uses retractable legs engineered for 30,000 cycles, ensuring durability as it navigates door tracks and uneven surfaces without collisions. Equipped with 20,000 pascal suction, this robot tackles everything from pet hair to embedded debris, while the Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush eliminates hair wrap entirely. Even strands over 30 centimeters long glide into the dustbin. Mopping performance excels with heated 80 degrees Celsius water sprays and a retractable mop extend arm that scrubs 4 centimeters beneath furniture edges, dissolving dried stains and sticky messes. The Ace Clean Dry Board Station automates maintenance, using high-temperature sprays and UV light to sanitize mops before hot air drying, preventing odors and bacterial growth. Navigation shines through its retractable LiDAR tower, which drops to 89 millimeters to clean under low furniture while building precise 360-degree maps. Advanced AI recognizes 200 object types, avoiding cables and toys while dynamically adjusting suction and mopping pressure based on floor type. Dual flex arm technology extends side brushes into corners, ensuring no crumb goes untouched. For homes with carpets, customizable modes lift mops to protect delicate fibers or detach them entirely.